Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to track your mood with on your iPhone, basically on your health app. So first of all, this is for iOS 17 and up, so this is after the update. Just click health app and now click browse. Here on the browse health categories, choose mental well-being, and after this you're gonna scroll down until you see logging your emotions and moods. So let's get started. I'm gonna do this for the first time. So basically you're gonna start begin, how you feel right now. So now choose your emotion, and for example, if you choose very pleasant, it changes the colors. So now what best describes. Next, let's choose something like that. You can also write some notes here. You can turn on reminders. Now let's try to log mood, how you felt overall today. For example, we're very pleasant, that's great. And basically that's that. That's how you log your mood and your emotions here on the health app. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and bye.